A Walmart grocery app coupon usually fails because the order doesn't meet the coupon requirements, the promotion has expired, or the eligible items aren't actually in your cart. Checking those conditions first is the fastest way to fix the problem. By the end, you'll know why Walmart grocery coupons don't apply, and the steps that usually get eligible discounts working again. Start by reading the coupon details carefully. Every coupon has its own terms. Some work only on specific products, brands, pickup orders, delivery orders, or first-time purchases. Others require a minimum order value before the discount appears. If your cart doesn't meet every requirement, the coupon won't apply. Next, confirm that the coupon hasn't expired. Open the promotion details and check the expiration date. Even if you clipped or saved the coupon earlier, it won't work after the promotional period ends. Now review the items in your cart. Make sure you're buying the exact products covered by the promotion. A different package size, flavor, quantity, or product variation may not qualify, even if it looks almost identical. Replacing the item with the eligible version often fixes the issue immediately. The next step is checking for conflicting discounts. Some Walmart promotions can't be combined with other offers or automatic savings. If another discount is already applied to your order, the coupon you're trying to use may become ineligible until the conflicting promotion is removed. If you're entering a promotional code manually, double-check the spelling before submitting it. Copying and pasting the code instead of typing it can help avoid mistakes with similar-looking letters and numbers. Make sure you're also using the latest version of the Walmart app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. Older versions of the app can occasionally display coupon errors that have already been fixed in newer releases. If the coupon still isn't applying, close the app completely, reopen it, and refresh your shopping cart. If that doesn't help, sign out of your Walmart account, sign back in, and try applying the coupon again. If you're shopping close to the promotion's end date, remember that some offers may stop working after they reach redemption limits, or when the promotional period ends, even if you've already added items to your cart. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact Walmart customer care through the app or the official website. They can confirm whether the coupon is still valid, verify your order qualifies, and explain why the promotion isn't being applied. To recap, verify the coupon requirements, check eligible products, update the Walmart app, refresh your cart, and contact support if the discounts still won't apply. If this guide helped you fix your Walmart grocery coupon problem, like the video and subscribe for more Walmart app troubleshooting guides and shopping tips.